Want to add a column in Elementor and level up your WordPress design skills? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that, step by step. No confusion, no code required. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone who's diving into Elementor. Build stunning websites with no coding using Elementor. Click the link in the description to start today. And yes, it's an affiliate link that helps me keep making these videos. Start by opening your browser and heading to the back end of your WordPress-based website. From the left-hand side menu, click on Pages. Now, choose any page you want to edit and click on the Edit with Elementor button. For this tutorial, I'm using the example page. Elementor might take a few seconds to fully load, so just give it a moment. Once it opens, you'll see Elementor's editing options on the left panel, things like layout settings and basic elements. In the white space on the right, click on the big plus icon. This brings up layout options. Let's say I select the Flexbox structure. Here, you'll be asked to choose the content layout structure. I chose one, but feel free to pick what works best for your design. Once selected, your Elementor test page will be divided accordingly based on that structure. At the top left corner of the page, you'll see another plus icon. This is the Add Element button. Click on it. From there, you can drag a container from the Layout section and drop it into your desired segment on the page. Now, click on that container and a menu will appear. Select the Duplicate option. Every time you click Duplicate, the same segment or container will be copied, just like you see in the video. For the next section of the page, you can choose another layout structure. In my case, I've selected a slightly different one. This time, on the left menu panel, you'll see a new option called Edit Grid. Scroll down a bit, and you'll find the settings for columns and rows. You can increase the number of columns or rows depending on how you want to structure that section. For example, I selected 5 columns and 2 rows using the Edit Grid option. As a result, that part of the Elementor workspace is now neatly divided into 5 columns and 2 rows, just how I wanted it. That's it. You've now learned how to add columns and structure your page easily using Elementor. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you in the next one.